Hello YouTube. Let me show you something. I got these two lighters. See that design right here? Well, this one is a 1956. You can see the Zippo and the R for the trademark. This is the first year for the Zippo Slim. Here's another one. That's the stripes. That's like this plaid design on it. And the difference, other than the case, it says Zippo and no dots, no slashes. I'll show you. This is my 1958 Zippo Slim, Mr. Meadowbrook. I only seen these in full-size lighters that had this guy on there. I don't know if the Slim is more rare, but you just don't see too many. You turn it over, you see those dots on each side. I will tell you, if you look at the Zippo dates, this is a 1958. Another thing you can tell if you are looking for a 1956 Zippo Slim, if it has the original case, the insert. Okay, this right here, it says, for best results, use Zippo Flint and fluid. This right here is a 1956 Slim insert, the original one. The only difference is 57 on up Zippo Slims are like this. They're not vertical, they're horizontal. But I did get, this one was pretty, the Flint, well, what had to be drilled out. It was just stuck, doing nothing, and it was powder. Took me about, I don't know, 3 minutes to get that cleaned. It works nicely. There is actually 4 designs for 1956. This one, the plaid pattern, and there is one, both sides are like that. Then the last one has like a floral pattern on there. Very nice pattern. But I guess when you start collecting, they will say collect only the ones that's worth the most. A lot of people have their name right here engraved. I don't know who that person is, but lighter still is an historical lighter. First year in that, but they claim do not buy them with no engraving. Now, if you want, I guess, have one that you're going to keep, you want to engrave it, whatever, that's your option. But to sell it for a high dollar, whatever, and I kind of laugh on people like that because, oh yeah, man, it's worth so much money. I bought both of them, this one and this one, both 56. for $22 shipped to my door. So that was about $17 that I won the bid at, and about $5 to ship. So I just want to share that well with you today. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, and have a good day. Thank you. Peace.